Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to be showing you how I made these easy candy grapes. Let's go ahead and hop right into it. Okay, so we start off by cleaning the grapes. I like to soak my fruit in vinegar. Do as you please. You can just do a wash and go or rinse and go. Okay, so I am just shaking off the excess water because we are not going to dry these grapes because we need this Jello to be able to stick to it. Okay, so I have two different types of Jello. I have the strawberry starburst Jello, and then I just have the regular normal Jello brand Jello. And again, they both are strawberry. So I am going to pour the powder into the bag. I'm starting off with the strawberry. I said strawberry, the starburst strawberry one, and then you just ziplock the bag back up. You don't have to use Ziploc. You can use any plastic bag and just shake until they all are covered. Okay, so now I am just going to pour these grapes out into my bowl, and then I am going to go ahead and add the red Jello, strawberry Jello, into the same Ziploc bag. If I was using other colors, I wouldn't do this, but because they both are strawberry and one is a pink strawberry and the other one is a red strawberry, I'm using the same bag, okay? So the same process. I had to re-wet my grapes because they had dried up a little bit, and to get the coverage that you want, you definitely just re-wet them again with some water. And I'm doing the same thing, just moving around, just making sure they're all like getting covered nice and red. And I am going to pour this in the same bowl, just on a separate side, and some of them are going to overlap, which is okay with me. Okay, and so now I'm just going to pop these babies into the freezer for 1 hour. And after, I'm putting them in my deep freezer. Actually, I had no room in my freezer, y'all. Alright, so this is them after 1 hour of freezing. As you can see, they are not wet anymore. The Jello has completely stuck, and they are going to be so good. Alright, so that is the end of my video, you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.